Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Frankenstein Hello Kitty. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top right and let's draw the bow. We'll start with the circle. Then from the top left, let's curve it up, around, and back in. And the same thing on the bottom right. And now inside each side, let's draw a curve in the center. And that's it for the bow. Now let's move down and start drawing the face. Let's start underneath the bow on the right and let's draw a small curve. Then let's draw a wavy line up on an angle and curve it up at the end. Now underneath on the left, let's draw a U-shaped curve for the first eye. And the same thing underneath the right. And now color both of the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes, let's draw an angled oval for the nose. And that's it for the eyes and nose. Now let's move back up and finish drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the bow and let's draw two curves coming up to a point for the first ear. Now let's hop over to the left side of the bow and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. And then the next ear with a curve up and curve it back down. Now from the bottom of the ear, let's step up and let's draw a curve down and in. And the same thing underneath the bow on the right, stopping about here. Next, let's move inside and let's draw some details on the face. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve. And then let's draw 3 lines across to form stitches. Now on both cheeks, let's draw 3 curves for the whiskers. Now let's move down, and before we finish off the bottom of the head, let's draw the arms. On the bottom right of the head, let's draw a curve over and bring it down, forming a long U-shaped curve. Now from the top, let's draw a small bump, and then one more curve to close it off. Now inside, let's draw a zigzag line for the sleeves. Now let's move over and let's draw the other arm on the left side. At the end of the headline, let's draw a bump going in for the thumb, then curve it back down and in. Then from the top, let's draw a curve over and back around to form the shape of the arm. And again, a zigzag line inside. Now that we have the arms, let's close off the bottom of the head with another curve across. And that's it for the arms and the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Next to the left arm, let's draw a curve down on an angle. And then on the right side, let's add a curve out and curve it in. Now let's move inside under the head and let's draw another curve down and over for the top of the dress. Now for the bottom of the dress, let's draw some zigzag lines across. From the left, let's draw a few zigzags going down on an angle, and then continue them over to the right like this. Now let's add the legs underneath. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a line out. Then let's curve it back in and then up. Now let's leave a gap, hop over to the right and let's draw a small line down and then an angle on the very right side. Then let's curve it down and over to close off the bottom of this foot. Now let's move inside and let's draw some stitches. Let's draw a curve at the bottom of the foot, and then let's add 3 striped lines across. Now let's add a few more additional details. On the right side of the body, let's draw a small curve out and back in for the tail. Lastly, let's move up next to the right arm and let's draw the bolts coming out from the neck. Let's draw 2 lines out, and then a rectangle at the end. And that's it for Frankenstein Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!